guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. And I just got here at my house, and it's already 7:25 p.m. and it's very traffic on my way home. And as a part of our house update, I just want to share you guys that we got a dining set. So this is the dining sets, and it's a 4-seater. So I bought this dining set with my sister and Sian. So and then I got this, and the cost of this dining set is 6,500 pesos, and less 10%, so it costs 5,850 pesos. So we got this for 5,850 pesos plus 300 pesos delivery fee. So they have a charge for the delivery fee. And aside from this dining sets, I bought also body mirror. So the body mirror is included on the 300 pesos charge for the delivery fee, including this. I bought this dining set and the body mirror in one store. So there's still a plastic on top of the dining table. As you can see guys, there's still a plastic on top of the dining table, and I'm still not removing it. And this tabletop, it's made of wood, and then it has a tempered glass. And this is the chairs. It has a foam to sit on. So that's the look of my dining sets. It's just a 4-seaters because I don't have enough space. So I'm supposed this is not the type of the dining set that I want, because I want an oval shape or round, but I can see the type that I like on the stores. So we keep looking on the stores, but there's still no available oval and round. There's a round table, but it's made of glass, and I don't like a glass one because it may it will get break. So that's why I don't like a glass. So I'm gonna remove the plastic now. So let's see the looks of the table. I need to get this and this one. They putting a plastic on top just to avoid having a scratch. So it's just a protection. on the store that we went on the store that we bought this dining set, the delivery charge is 300 pesos. Unlike to the other stores, they are charging 500 pesos. So that's why I choose that store to bought this dining. So it has a tempered on top, and then wood, and then the stands of the table is metal, like this on the chair. So I won't remove the plastic on the foam of the chair. So I will let it like that. And then I also got a tablecloth for this. So I need to wipe this first. Before putting a tablecloth. This is the tablecloth, guys. It's color black, that's why I put a tablecloth on top of this. Then I have this one, guys. So I'm gonna put this on the center of the table, and then I can have this thermos, and then coffee and sugars. And then and here's the body mirror, guys. I got this for the price of 1,500, and it has a wheel, so I can move this anywhere. So it has a wheel. And then and I will remove the plastic. Where's the scissor? So I can now see myself on this mirror. I can see myself and fitting my dress, my clothes. So we are buying things and stuffs for the house one by one, and then eventually we will complete the stuffs of our house. So, and then tomorrow I'm going to church, and I will bring my crucifix to bless the crucifix and to put it on my altar. So tomorrow I'll try to make a video going to the church and having a bless for the crucifix. So that's for now, guys. So I'll see you tomorrow.